Good morning, everyone. صباح الخير. Or should I say good evening? مساء الخير. Regardless of wherever you are, أرجو أن تكونوا بخير. This is our first time using مساء الخير and صباح الخير. But you will find these expressions posted in our second channel as usual. The link is down below. On the agenda today, recapitulation of the previous lesson. Then we will practice all combinations of the Arabic letters with fatha. And we will conclude our lesson with 2 exercises. So, as we already said, harakat are short vowels that differentiate between several sounds and meanings that a sequence of letters can have. Short vowels are not part of the alphabet. They are little symbols placed on top or underneath each letter to alter its pronunciation. There are 3 short vowels called fatha, kasra, and dhamma. Fatha has a short a sound as in at. Kasra has a e short sound as in kit. And dhamma has a short u sound as in hu. Let's take an example here. As we already said, they are not letters but marks put above and below letters to alter their pronunciation. If we take the letter ba, ba, and put a fatha above it, we do say ba fatha ba, ba. But if we put a kasra, we do say ba kasra bi, bi. Finally, if we put dhamma, we do say ba dhamma bu, bu. So we have ba, bi, bu. One more time. Ba, bi, bu. Let's now focus on fatha. It is a short vowel always written above the consonant, as you can see. It looks the same in all positions. It looks like a slanting line above the letter. As an example, we have these 3 letters. Ba fatha ba, jim fatha ja, zay fatha za, ba, ja, za. Do you remember when we mentioned in one of our previous lessons that although alif is one of the alphabet, it can behave in Arabic as a long vowel? Well, time has come to use that intel and answer this question. Alif, is it a consonant or a vowel? Alif is the first letter in the Arabic alphabet, and it has various forms and uses that will be clarified in details at the right time. Its detailed description would be long and tricky and might be intimidating for the first letter to learn. So we are going to go as simple as possible. Alif is one of the 3 letters that might be a consonant or a vowel. In this lesson, we are going to use alif as a consonant, so let's only focus on that. Consonant alif always come with hamza. Since we are going to study fatha today, keep in mind that for alif with fatha, we place both fatha and hamza above the alif, as you can see. things to remember before starting. We will position each letter according to the line. We are keeping the isolated form, and Arabic is written from right to left. هيا نبدأ. أ ب ت ث ج ح خ د ذ را ز س ش ص ض ط ظ ع غ ف ق ك لا ما نا و ها أ يا. Let's now repeat the whole alphabet with fatha at one go. A ب ت ث ج ح خ د ذ را ز س ش ص ض ط ظ ع غ ف ق ك لا ما نا و ها أ يا. That's it. Now it's time to put knowledge into practice. Since we have just finished Fatha, this is going to be your homework. This is quite simple, so I'm sure that you will not need help. In any case, we are going to solve it next week, so stay tuned. شكرا جزيلا. إلى اللقاء.